Closing arguments are expected to take place today in the trial of FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried.
The fate of the former crypto billionaire will soon be in the hands of the jury after Bankman-Fried spent the last few days testifying in his own defense. He faces up to life in prison if convicted of criminal fraud. Of course, he has pleaded not guilty to all charges.
We are now joined by NBC News Now legal analyst Angela Cenedella. Angela, good morning. Great to see you. So the defense rested its case yesterday. This was after we saw Bankman-Fried take the stand himself and, of course, be cross-examined. How much do you think that ultimately helped or hurt his case?
So whenever a defendant takes a stand, it's always this massive risk because the jury has to determine the credibility of that person on the stand. Now, Bankman-Fried, I think, didn't have much of a choice. He felt he had to take the stand because the three people closest to him had joined together to create this narrative that he entirely masterminded the whole operation. So he gets up there. The first day when he is just giving his defense strategy, it seems okay. But then on cross, when the prosecution goes back to his old words, takes social media posts, public statements, and shows these glaring contradictions, I think that was devastating to Sam Bankman-Fried. So I don't think he can recover from that.
The jury has heard weeks of testimony. Now it's up to attorneys to take all that and wrap it up neatly with a bow and closing arguments. What can we expect to hear in the closing arguments?
So we'll hear from the prosecution that he knowingly defrauded his clients, that he directed these subordinates who then became cooperating witnesses for the government to move funds around, to use customer funds in order to fund his very lavish lifestyle. Now, on the defense side, we're going to hear the opposite. We're going to hear repetition that he created mistakes. He made errors, but he did not knowingly defraud. So that's the big difference here. The prosecution has to prove he knew what he was doing was wrong. It's not just that this implosion happened and he made mistakes, but he has to have known that he was doing something illegal.
Angela, no matter the outcome of this, are there any legal ramifications that we can pull away from this for the crypto industry generally?
Not directly with crypto. It's really just fraud generally. However, with any industry that's new and somewhat unregulated, we heard his own lawyers say that Sam Bankman-Fried was being targeted because this imploded. He was trying something new. So whenever you're trying something new in an industry, if you are a defendant, you could possibly face consequences.
All right, Angela, as always, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.